Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, welcome. My name is Ann, and if you're not, welcome back. What we do here is a lot of makeup related videos, and today we're going to be unboxing a mystery bag from Ipsy. This is the Summer Vibe bag. Ipsy is a monthly beauty subscription. The regular bags are $12. You get 5 deluxe size samples in a cute little bag, and then they have the Ipsy Plus, 5 full-size products, $25 with a drawstring bag, and then they have the Glam Bag X for $50, 8 full-size products. And that one is like, I believe every 3 months. I'm sure, not really for sure, but I think it is. Okay, but this is their mystery bag. Their summer, I wanted the Glam makeup bag, but I couldn't get it. So I think I got the Vibes bag. And the only thing that I know that is in it is nothing. I know it's like a silver and pink bag when I ordered it. And that is all I knew. And unlike the regular bag, this one should have 6 full-size products in it. And it is $14. So, we got another brush. And I think I've done one of these on add-ons. These are some really good brushes. This is their Conceal and Set. Here is the concealed side. Conceal under them eyes and set under them eyes, or conceal, or do whatever you want. You actually contour this. You can do anything with it. I'm going to put this one up because I did just buy one of these. And they are by Farrah, which makes some really good brushes. So I don't want to use this one. I'm going to put it up for a later date if I can get it back in the bag. Okay. Got a drawer full of stuff for later dates. And here is the bag itself. It is white and like, maybe like a rose gold. Really like hollow. Really pretty. Really like it. It does say Ipsy right here. Okay. So 5 more products to go. And we have Shanna B, Miami, and this is their blush brick. And this is this, and let me see. I just have that. Like, I'm not going to touch this because I do have the full size. It is cute. It is a beautiful color, so I am going to put this right back in here. No, that's not the box. Oh, it was in this. I'm going to put this right back in here. And I do have 2 of these palettes. One I've never used. I got to do something with it, but I do have one that I do use, so I am going to set this to the side with that brush. Okay. Then we have Violet Balls. It is a single eyeshadow. I really like Violet Balls. Really great quality makeup. And I always love the packaging. Very slick. I like the gold. I like everything about it. Now if I can get it open. I don't know what color it is. Bare It All. So, why can't I open anything? Well, I can't get it. I don't want to rip the box because I'm afraid I got the color too. I'm just going to have to rip it. Okay. Bare It All. There it is. It's really pretty, slick looking. It kind of like... No. The struggle is real. Opening makeup sometimes is not very fun. Oh, that is beautiful. Let me see. I don't think I have this color. So we're going to swatch this one. Right here it is. It is beautiful. You can use it as a highlighter too. Inner corner, all over the lid, whatever you want it. That is a beautiful color. Okay. Then, Stuck on You. I already know what this is because I have it. It is the Beauty Crop Eye Primer. I am like almost out, so I'm so glad I got this. And right here it is, Stuck on You. Not wearing it today. I wish I was, because I don't think I am. No. And it is just like a skin tone. Well, a skin tone. It doesn't take much of it. Right there it is. Really great. Eye primer works really, really good. Sometimes you can get it on Ipsy for add-ons for like $3. If you can and can afford it, I recommend getting it. It's like one of the cheapest primers I find that really actually work. Then, we got Context Nude Blonde. Finally, something that I don't have. Or similar to something I have. I think with subscription boxes, especially like these mystery bags, it's kind of hard, like, when you've got a lot of makeup to really buy stuff like this. Because you do. Ooh, I like that. When you have, it's like a pinky tone. Like, I got gloss lipstick on, everything. It feels really good. It does feel like a blonde, but it's got that color to it, and I really like it. And you could just, like, take a finger and put it on and lightly do the color. But I do like that. And then we have another lip balm. The Ella Cuckoo Lip Balm Tropical Citra. I know I probably didn't say that right. Now, I get a lot of lip balms. I'd rather have a lip balm something like this. But my husband gets really dry lips. So, this really works for him. If I can get it open. Everything this month has been so hard to open. It's been like horrible. There we go. Ooh, it smells good. Let me find a clean spot. So it's just like a regular lip balm. You can smell the citrus. It smells like lemonade. Like summer. It smells like summer. It smells really good. So I do like that. I don't know, the sun really dries your lip out. Especially if your work it's really hot at. You really need to keep something on your lips. You really need to keep really something with SPF in it. Because the sun really just damages your skin, dries your lips out and everything. So I recommend some sunscreen for your lips too. They make, there's all kinds of lip balms that's got it in it. And that is it. What I think, I haven't done this for a while because I love doing giveaways. I love giving back to my subscribers. But I haven't done a giveaway for a while because it's kind of hard sometimes. Because you get people who subscribes just to be subscribing for the giveaway. And then they, like, when they don't win, they, you know, automatically go and unsubscribe, which actually hurts your numbers, like, in the whole, like thing. But I really do, I've got like so much stuff saved up for giveaways, like a couple of palettes and brushes, and I don't know what all I got, but I have a bunch of stuff saved. But today we're going to do, and it's little, so I'm just going to do a little giveaway, and it's going to be the blush and the brush. A blush and a brush. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. I'm going to do this. I do have the big palette I'm going to do a giveaway with. I've got an Illuminati palette. I've got more brushes. I've got so much stuff. Like, I don't even know what all I've got. I've got like a drawer full of like all kinds of stuff. More, like, I've got like a whole drawer full of stuff for a giveaway. But today we're just going to do this. Because I've been waiting. I was going to wait until I got to 500 and just do a bigger giveaway. But today we're just going to do this just because. So here are the rules for the giveaways. You do have to be subscribed. Comment down below and leave like some way I get a hold of you. Most likely could be Instagram would be the best. If you do not have Instagram, I have like where people gave me their emails before, and that will work. And that is like, and like this video, like, subscribe, and leave a comment, some way for me to get a hold of you. And that is it. You can share this video if you like. That helps a lot too, to bring in more subscribers. But I do appreciate everyone. And don't forget, before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And thank y'all for watching. And I will see y'all on the next one. Bye for now.